Hello everyone. Today my next client in Uganda is asking an online remotely unlocking ZTE MF927U Airtel model. So I unlock this modem now. Connect my client's device in his computer. So I installing driver. In same method in Zambia modem MTN, but difference on the file. So procedure same, but file difference. Open browser. I will check the other network SIM card insert. My client is asking SIM card insert is Safaricom SIM insert. I will check this device SIM is supported, is not supported. I will check. Okay, now you see this is SIM card is not supported on this device. The device is asking this device is logged to Airtel network. Please insert a wireless SIM card to connect to internet. It's not support this SIM card. So I unlock this solution. Now going to on my file, use this tool. Right click and run this tool. It's very simple and easy method in the world. Tool is open. Now flash this different only, but same procedure but different only this pin. This pin is different. Now play and flashing start now command to reset. Then you see I will reset command run, so this flashing start. So flashing complete, then close this tool. Waiting few minutes and waiting few seconds, then restart my client's modem. Again reset. That's again reset is completely all clear, and again restart my client device. Okay, now you see it's again open device. It's unlock complete, but I will check in. I can see you, I can show you SIM card is working. Now I'm going to again browser open. Okay, this login password insert. Okay, my dear all clients, then you see SIM card is working. Is Uganda SIM card, Safaricom, and signal is working and data is working, data connected. It's supported this SIM card. Device is successfully unlocked. Okay, now your friend, every person to contact me if you unlock online remotely unlocking service. My small charges I can online unlock. Payment method is mobile money. It's not a national problem. It's a very simple payment method and small charges. So contact me, every person, every client. I can online remotely worldwide online unlocking service available in 24 hours. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.